So you just saw how we empower micro-entrepreneurs to leverage the possibility of social media to sell their creations and to use payments within the existing social media apps. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm Niharika Talwar, and I, along with Kumar Abhishek, stand here to represent Echo India Financial Services. Our innovation, Echo My Tweet. Just like Facebook, we can do the same thing on Twitter. In the traditional scenario, if I have to pay somebody, I just draft a check, put in the receiver's name, the amount, and my signature. In Twitter, a tweet becomes my check. I just put in the details, and the transaction happens. I call Kumar Abhishek to display that.
Thank you, Niharika. So I'll just go ahead with the demonstration. Yeah. Oh, okay. So let's say I had to send money to my friend Rohit sitting over there. So what I'll just type is pay. 1 second. So what I just did is that on the normal Twitter application, I tweeted my intent to pay Rohit with amount of ₹1,000 and something we call unpin. So the last 4 digits 0725 that we call unpin is actually a patented Echo innovation for strong two-factor authentication. That transforms your static pin, be it your mobile pin, your ATM pin, or your card pin, let's say, to a dynamic pin every time. So that is how we are able to authenticate on any relatively unsecure medium like Twitter, Facebook, or anywhere else, for example, email, or in fact any other insecure medium. So what is beautiful about unpin is that your pin never leaves your mind. Because of lack of time, I'm not actually showing the transformation and the application which you already saw in the video of transformation that we transform our pin into something that I've written over here. So the transformation of pin happens inside your mind, and the way we like to say it that even your fingers do not know what your pin is. So it is totally secure, and the payments can be done anywhere. I'll show the message that I received. No. Sorry, some error transformation. So you could see the last message successfully transferred to Rohit.
So you saved $1,000.
Yeah, actually I did. Thanks to some error on the back end. But this is what happens. Actually, the unpin is the actual technology of authenticating over any insecure medium, and this is just a wrapper, a listener application over Twitter. That what you saw in the application there was over Facebook. So we could have any listener application over any social application to authenticate and empower people to make payments over any insecure medium. Thank you.
Great. I'm sure.
So if you could see the past messages, there was successful transaction message. I don't know, probably because of some issue right now with the Wi-Fi or anything, the transaction hasn't done, but then we've done that, and we had presented the same solution in US at the City Mobile Challenge, and it was appreciated by many people. Moving on with the innovations with this technology. So here people were talking about crowdfunding. You know, you could probably use this and put @Better India, some money, your unpin, and contribute to the crowd funding initiative. That's from our end. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. I'm sure you'll get a lot of questions right now. So